Life doesn't come with a manual, especially when you need to rebuild yourself. Hi, my name is Elena. I'm a polyglot, traveler. I love neuroscience and mindset, and I am someone who had to reinvent herself in 7 countries and across multiple careers. Here, we talk about becoming fluent in life, emotionally with tools and the right mindset, culturally through language, integration and communication, and professionally building a career or business that aligns with you. If you're navigating a transition, a change, you're feeling lost, and you want to reconnect with yourself, you're in the right place. This channel gives you honest stories, practical tools, clarity, and encouragement for your next chapter. Join the journey, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let's grow together. Welcome to Fluent in Life. You belong here.